Hey guys, in this video let's do the Boat Airdopes Supreme TWS Earbuds unboxing and the top 5 plus features. So now firstly let's have a look on the box. It actually comes with the Spatial audio with the 24-bit audio processing. Now once you open the box, so you will get a charging case with the earbuds inside the cover. And then there is some stickers are given and FAQ card, warranty informations are available, and you will find your accessory box. Inside that, 2 pair of ear tips given and a short length of USB type A to type C cable are given. And finally, now let's have a look on the Boat Airdopes Supreme. So once you take off the cover, so now inside you can see the Boat Airdopes Supreme. It actually looking good, and in terms of color availability, so I am using the blue color and also white and black color variants are available. So overall it's a nice design, fully plastic material, and at the bottom there is a USB type C set button, and the front there is a LED indicator. And once you open the charging case door, so then you will see the earbuds. In the earbuds there is some stickers are pasted. You need to just tear all that stickers. Overall the finish is good and it's too compact as well as. So now let's have a look on what are the top 5 plus features on this Boat Airdopes Supreme. So the first one is that it's supported with the Google Fastpair connection. So once you open the charging case door, so then you will get a Google Fastpair dialog box, and after click on the connect, so then the earbuds will be instantly connected. And also I given the setting page path here. So once go to this setting page, so here you can able to find the earbuds and case battery percentage, and also you can use the find my earbuds feature here. So you can able to ring the left earbuds and right earbuds also. So now let's hear how it actually sounds. And the next feature is that a dual connection. So once you firstly connected with the first device, so after connected, just turn off the Bluetooth on the first device and enable the Bluetooth on your second device. Once you enable the Bluetooth, again you will get a Google Fastpair dialog box. Just click on the connect option. Now once you connected on the second device, now just enable the Bluetooth on the first device. So then the Airdopes Supreme will be again connected on the first device as well. And now you can able to see that Boat Airdopes Supreme connected in both the smartphones. So as like you can connect the Boat Airdopes Supreme in 2 different devices, like Android and laptop, or Android and a Mac PC, or Android and iPhone. So like that, whatever 2 devices. So like this you can always connect this Boat Airdopes Supreme between 2 devices. And the next feature is that app support. This Boat Airdopes Supreme supported with the Boat Airdopes application, and that too supported for both Android and iOS. So even if you are using an iPhone or else if you are using an Android phone, all the features are available for both these operating systems. So this is also one of the best feature in this price segment. So you can easily find this Boat Airdopes application in the Google Play Store. So just search it and install it. So now after install, once you already connected with the Bluetooth connection, so now it will be automatically shown. So using the application you can see the earbuds battery percentage, and you can enable or disable the spatial audio. You can customize the touch functions, and there is a lot more features. And the next feature we are going to see is that the in-ear detection. So this Boat Airdopes Supreme supported with the in-ear detection, which means once you wear the earbuds, the audio will play, and once you take off the earbuds, the audio will pause. And also during calls, if you wear the earbuds, the calls will be automatically attended. And also you can turn off the wear detection if you don't want to means. So for that you have to just go to the Boat Airdopes application and go to the system, and here is the option in ear detection. Just to turn off this option. And the next feature we are going to see is that touch functions. So this Boat Airdopes Supreme supported with the all touch functions including volume control, but there is slight drawback. So once go to this application Boat Airdopes, click on the touch, and here is the 2 different functions. One is a single tap and double tap. So only 2 actions are available. So if more actions available, then it will be good thing. So like touch and hold, triple taps, and single touch and hold. So like that, if more different action available means, so you can able to use every function for each actions. So that is actually missing on the Boat Airdopes Supreme. But even though in the single tap, so you can select whether you want a next song, previous song, volume up and down, Google Assistant, play pause, or else a game mode or beast mode. So like that, for every action you can select. So currently I am selected for single tap volume down, and on the right earbuds volume up, and for double tap play pause. So if you don't want the double tap for play pause in both the earbud means, in any one earbud you can switch to next song or previous song. So in this way only you can able to customize, because there is only two different actions. And finally we are going to see about the most important feature, is that a spatial audio. So this time Boat actually brings the spatial audio with the 24-bit audio processing on this Boat Airdopes Supreme earbuds. So you can able to find this feature in the Boat Hearables application. So here it is, you can enable or disable it, and also by just a long press on the left earbuds you can turn on or turn off the spatial audio. So I actually hear the audio for few hours. So based on that, it's a basic spatial audio, so you can able to experience that, but you need some good listening focus, because the spatial audio means it's a three-dimensional audio. So center, left and right. In the center you can feel vocals, and in the left and right you feel a sub bass and the bass sounds like that. And also it actually processes the 24-bit audio, so you need a high resolution songs. So to get the high resolution songs you can use apps like Apple Music. So there you can able to see the high resolution songs and high quality musics. And also I watched some movies on the Netflix as well as. So in the Netflix also, so you can able to experience a very good sound experience. Overall the mid-tones and vocals are very clear, and if you hear any vocal tracks means that will be more clearer to you. Mainly in the spatial audio the mid-tones and highs are slightly boosted, so that is the main thing in the spatial audio. So once the mid-tones and highs are slightly boosted, then you'll feel like so that vocals are in your center of your head, and beneath that only the lower bass and sub bass are hearable. And you can able to feel the difference by just turning on or turning off this option. Once you go to the Boat Hearables application, once you turn off it, so you can feel that the vocals and the highs are slightly reduced. And after enabling this, so again, so there is a slight volume increase in the mid-tones and in the highs frequency. So in this way you can able to feel how a spatial audio actually works. So but you need a good listening focus, then you can feel the three-dimensional audio. And finally, so these are all the some of the features, but still I not tested this earbuds fully, and I still need to check the call quality and battery related details. So you can just check for a calling experience and the battery performance in the other channels. And also during connection, once you connected with the Boat Airdopes Supreme, by default it actually shows the SBC codec. Just to go to the media audio and switch over to the AAC codec, because by default it shows the SBC codec. And also, so once go to the device volume sync, this is also disabled by default. You need to enable it, then only you can able to increase or decrease the volume right from the earbuds, and it will actually synchronize with your smartphone. So do change these two settings also when you are connecting your Boat Airdopes Supreme to your Android smartphone. Well, now that's it on this Boat Airdopes Supreme TWS Earbuds unboxing and the top 5 plus features. And what are your guys thoughts on this Boat Airdopes Supreme earbuds? And if you're already using means, let me share your experience in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our channel below. And thanks for watching this video guys.